So today you guys, I'm going to show you how to replace a water filter in your fridge. So this is my old one that I had. This is the new one that just came in. So for each one, it's going to be different. So I'll get started. So for each fridge is different. You would have to know all these, but especially this. This is the serial number and your fridge make and model. So you're going to need to get something that works with it or is the same model. So once you read the instructions, it says find it, which is right there. You unblock it and take it out, and then you peel this off. So what you do is place the water filter underneath, and then you want to make a turn, and then while pushing up, and then oh shit, screw in. And once you hear that, that means it's in and it's working. Now you have to run 2.5 gallons of water for 5 minutes through this in order for it to work, because it'll clean out everything. So yeah, that's it. That's how you replace a water filter in your fridge.